Hello guys, I'm here again and I'm happy to share you my second unboxing of my second order from Lindt. My order arrived this morning, and last time I received 5 boxes, but this time I only received 3 boxes. These are my orders. So as you see, 1, 2, and 3. I go directly to the point, so I open the first box. So this is the first box. I would like to inform you that for my order, I got a really big discount because instead of paying like 300 euros, I only paid half of it, because aside from 50% off, Lindt gave me also 20% off. So imagine, for these 3 boxes, I only paid 120 euros instead of 300 euros. Later, I share on the description also the prices of each product. Okay, so I open the first box now. Okay, well, it's the same box like the other time. It's always from Lindt. I speak a little bit of French, so I teach you. Maître chocolatière suisse depuis 1845. So this is 1845. The Lindt was invented year 1845. Okay, so this is the first one I see on the box. This is the Lindor. This is the milk chocolate. Milk chocolate is my favorite of all the products I ordered last time. So this time I only ordered this type. This is the first product. Well, thank you, Lindt, for giving me the big discount. That's the first product, guys, and let's proceed to the next product. So this one, let's see what's inside that I chose what they put inside the box. So here, this is Lindt new product. So it's double chocolate. Double chocolate. This is the newest product of Lindt. This is so yummy, guys. Suggest you to order also or to buy on the stores of Lindt. This one. So in one box like this, there are 120 pieces of chocolate balls, small chocolate balls. This is only a double chocolate. That's the second product. And this is a third one. So yeah, another double chocolate. We have here 2 boxes of double chocolate. 120 pieces, 120 pieces. So there are 240 pieces. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think I'm good in mathematics. Then, well, no more. I opened the second box. This is the second box. Here. Second box. Guys, Lindt, order from them. Lindt. Okay, let's see what's here. So we have another box of chocolate, milk chocolate. There are 2. And we have here another box of chocolate. Let's see. Oh, this is mix dark chocolate. We have, last time I ordered this one also. My nephew JR love dark chocolate. He doesn't like milk chocolate. That's why I ordered dark chocolate. And these are both dark chocolates. Fondente, fondente. This is 70% and this is 50%. Okay, another 120 pieces. And here, another box. Here. Okay, I love this, guys. So as I said, every box has 120 pieces. This is milk chocolate but form like heart. Okay, this is milk chocolate and this is dark chocolate. And let's see. Okay, that is inside the second box. Let's proceed to the third box. The third box is this one. Okay, what's surprise? What is this? What is this? Oh, I don't know. Well, hello. Just written here, hello. Okay. Oh, it's like a greeting card, maybe. Okay. And this one is so it says here the protein, the carbohydrates, and the energy. And we have another box of milk chocolate. Lindt. Okay, we have 3 boxes here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We have here this is Budino al Cioccolato Fondente. It means pudding, chocolate pudding, dark chocolate pudding. Sorry, guys. And this is chocolate pudding. And the other one is the same, chocolate pudding. Okay. And again, I ordered panettone. I love. The other time, I ordered 2 panettone and 2 pandoro, chocolate flavor. This time I ordered the classic one. Okay, it's panettone. I ordered 1 and 2 panettone I ordered, guys. So we have here 2 panettone. So these are all the products I ordered from Lindt this time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces, but every box of this. So 120 times 4 is 400. I have here 480 total of chocolates. I wish I could share you a little bit of this, guys. Well, that's it. You will find on the description below if you would like to order from them, from Lindt, their website, and how much I spent, and how much the discount I get from them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope if you are not yet subscribed on my channel, please subscribe and press the ring button to be notified every time I post a video. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I love you all. Mwah.